Who says you don't need a 6-foot bar?
6-foot bar in action. Okay, redneck style. Let's see if we can all look at this piece. Ooh. Thinking these knots right here are going to be beautiful.
Yeah.
What do we want to do? Send it off the side, lift it up this way?
Yeah.
Slide it back then.
Fine. Which way do we need to go with it?
Okay, now let's go straight up.
Okay, 1, 2.
Yeah, baby. I'll hold it. You grab the broom.
You got it?
Yep, I got it.
What did I do with the broom? There it is. I wonder why it was kicking our trash.
I thought we had like 2 knots, but whoa, we got quite a bit going on in here, don't we?
3 inches into it. Oh, look at that. Oh.
Yeah, let me see if I can get some water on it. You got it?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Ooh.
Oh, wow, look at that.
What do you think of that? Not too bad. Anyway.
6-foot bar. You don't need a 6-foot bar.
Yeah, you don't need a 6-foot bar.
Who needs a 6-foot bar?
This is we're testing out the Farmertec 880 G888. I guess we're starting out life hard. Starting out life nothing but wide open, right?
Only thing done, dual port muffler. No carb adjustments, no nothing.
I always wonder, or you ever wonder what it's gonna look like on the inside? Like on the outside, I don't even know if you can see it with the sun. Let me grab, let's see if I can. You can kind of see what it looked like on the outside. Anybody want to guess what kind of wood this is? Take a guess. Maybe we'll tell you in the next video. Let's just say it's what we use to make trailers with, trailer decking. This is the best trailer wood decking we have in our area. We'll show you a little bit about the. Anyway, this is on the channel. It's in other places. This is the mill. This is the mill that Jack welded up. So it's just homemade with the G88. I better.
Does this make my butt look big?
I better help Kellen here get this. What did we do? 4-inch?
Yeah.
Give or take 4-inch thick. And she's
kind of hard when you're packing 200 pounds of sawmill.
It's heavy. Anyway, guys, hope you like this stuff. Thanks for watching. See ya.